rolled up on Pops over here, and I think he means business right there. Already got the motor plate on there.
Coming out, coming out.
Coming out. How's the new motor sound, the Angry Lover sound?
Pretty good.
Think it's going to be able to outdo this unit right here?
Yeah, a little bit.
I will say this unit's got a little bit of bottom end, but as soon as you let go of the tranny brake button, about 25 feet out, you can tell she's out of wind. So hopefully this unit right here will do us a little bit better. We had it running the other day. Pops went through the valves again. We put the carburetor on it we're going to use, and we'll fire it up here in a couple minutes for you guys. You tell us what you think. Do you think it's going to get us to our goal or not? Pop said he's ready to get with it.
Closer.
So you think this motor was a dud, or did pretty decent for?
It's pretty decent for what it is. I know the cam in it's bad. It's got a lobe or something wore off of it. Maybe a couple of them. But it still made probably 20 trips. After that, it was just a little rougher on gas and not quite as fast.
Yep. Like I said, this old motor, it don't know it's a thing. Hopefully we'll reap some rewards out of this one. The funny thing is we probably got a little bit less money in this motor right here. It's kind of a two broke motors deal. The bottom end, we got it for pretty cheap, for $450 for the bottom end, and that came with a water pump and a good SFI flywheel and a good balancer. So we basically just bought it for that. And then the top end, we bought that motor. It was just junk all the way around. We just kind of took it in on trade for labor towards their car. So I think we probably might have $800, $850 in this motor, minus the carburetor. We got a little bit of money in that, but it's one of them necessities that you're gonna have to spend money somewhere, and that's usually the area to do it. Do it in your carburetor and your ignition. It's usually best suited there.
Or on your mechanic.
Or on your mechanic. Sounds like Pops is pushing for a raise over here, fellas.
Big raise, big raise.
Alright guys, we're gonna mess with this for a little bit and we'll get back with y'all. Our old water pump sounds awesome. It's got a pretty good look too. It's got a little drippy. Out of gas.
I hope not. I just filled it out. Yeah, I think it might be. It just should go right off.
Out of gas.
Baby likes it. Maybe that's what the problem was. That other carburetor wasn't giving it no gas.
Alright guys, here's a quick tip for you. If anytime you got a motor running and you're wondering if it's firing or not, you can just take your screwdriver and run it across there and see how it melted the end of the, that lets you know that that cylinder's hot, and it's firing for you. If you run it across there and it won't do nothing. I used to use my fingers and spit all the time, but I grabbed a couple of them that was a little bit too hot, so I've switched over to the screwdrivers. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Is this motor going to get us to where we need to be, or are we going to come up short again? We've been fortunate so far. Everything we've changed, we've always seen an increase, so that's good. I just hope we don't put this in there, sound a lot better than go out there and run 2/10 slower or something silly.